Let's study the next topic, that is ED50, LD50. So before starting with ED50, LD50, I want to introduce to a concept, that is drug, that is a drug response curve. So any drug response curve is a graph of the effect and versus to the amount of drug. So here the graph is about the effect of phenobarbital, which is helping in reducing the convulsions. So this is the percent effect and this is the amount of drug that was given to the rats. So this is effect of like 20, 20, 40, 200, and here phenobarbital in mg per kg, what was the dose that was given. So if you say that they had started from 2 mgs per kg dose, so they have found that at the 50% effect was obtained at the dose of 4 mg per kg. So you can see here this is the effect for 50% of the drug, means 50% of the population, how it has responded at 4 mg per kg dose itself. So this is how we can determine how much amount of drug should be given to a particular person. So how much amount of drug should be taken? A paracetamol tablet, if you are taking, it should be 250 mg or 500 mg, is determined with the help of this dose response curve. And let's come to the original concept of the ED50. So what is ED50? ED stands for effective dose. Effective dose is calculated, that is ED50. Please remember it, ED 50% is the dose that would be uh, protecting the 50% of the animals or the population, is ED 50. So if there are 100 rats that you have taken, and from 100 rats 50 rats have shown effect at 4 mg per kg of phenobarbital, then the ED50 of phenobarbital would be 4 mg per kg. So this brings us to the next topic, that is lethal dose or the LD50. So LD50 tells us about the toxic effect of the drug. How much amount of drug would be, how much dose of the drug would be toxic or lethal, or causing severe harmful reactions in 50% of the population. So it is the degree of safety associated with drug administration, depending depends on the adequate separation between doses, that is their ratio of, so it is the ratio of ED50 to LD50 is showing us how safe the drug is. LD50 is always LD50 is the amount of drug that will be showing lethal reactions to the 50% of the population. So here please see this graph. This graph has effect on the y-axis and again dose on the x-axis. So it's starting from 10 mg per kg, 20 mg per kg. So they have started with 20 mg per kg and the effect of 50% was seen exactly at 40 mg per kg. So this is the lethal dose of phenobarbital to the rats. So why is it important? Why is it necessary to know the LD50 and ED50? Because the ratio of LD50 is to ED50 is the therapeutic index. So it tells us how safe the drug is. The lower the therapeutic index, higher is the chance that the drug would be unsafe for us. The higher the therapeutic index, higher is the chance that the drug is safer for us. So that hence that is preferred whenever you are whenever doctors are selecting a particular drug for treatment, they will look for drugs which are having higher therapeutic index. For example, some of the cardiac glycosides are having, the drug treating cardiac ailments have therapeutic indexes as small as 2, while some of them are having therapeutic index 10, 50, etc. So that is why the low margin of safety of cardiac glycosides, because of that the drug is given in very rare cases, and it is monitored very carefully. So this was the topic about ED50, LD50 and the therapeutic index. We will study about rest of the topics in coming videos.